A couple of weeks ago, Microsoft released a new free version of its Copilot offering called Copilot Chat. In this video, I will demystify Copilot Chat for you. Let's dive in. Copilot Chat is available to all users under a Microsoft 365 commercial or educational license. There are no additional fees beyond the existing subscription. It's accessible from different places. First one is from the web. So if you navigate to copilot.microsoft.com, you'll be presented with this page, and basically you'll have to choose the work option here and not the personal one, obviously, if you want to have access to all the features we'll cover in this video. So I'll just click on work, and I'm in my Microsoft Copilot Chat. One way of knowing if you're in Copilot Chat is this green shield to the top that is telling you that you have enterprise data protection activated for your Copilot tenant. It's also available from different places. It will be from the sidebar area in Edge, will be available from the Copilot inside of Microsoft Teams or Microsoft Outlook as well, but it needs to be deployed by your admin in that case. And it's all available, again, for free for everyone that has an Entra license. Now, I talked a bit about the enterprise data protection, but what does that mean exactly? In a nutshell, it means that the data your user generate will be repurposed to train an AI model and will fully remain isolated from public use. Data is protected both in transit and at rest through strong encryption protocol. All the interaction with Copilot Chat are logged and retained for audit purposes as well, which will help support compliance, e-discovery, and other regulatory requirements.